Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Have to put one command in the terminal, wait again. Your lines need to appear. Okay, should be ready. Once in the browser, my game. It's on localhost. Clear all data, so I have a fresh start. I can play what I want. Let's play sniper. I'm the guy in the middle. The sides are enemies. If I come closer, then they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and the enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. And now I play until I die. Okay, there was a boss which gave me skill point. I take Fireline. Line is one of the most helpful against a lot of enemies. I have to be more careful. Boss, I take half damage. I take damage in minus range. Additional charge. Game is slowing down a lot. That was like let's stay still and additional charge. Stay still only in use for us. Killed. Really want to go towards Fireline. Only it's the best option. Okay. I die before. Want to make one more boss. I go into the king area. Okay. Synergy Fireline. I don't have synergy with. Yes, I have half damage. Damage and range. I'm currently more Fireline damage, I guess. Damage meter. No, Fireline was not much damage. Interesting. So this will double. The only interesting part is, do I have enough? 1000 to 500. It's 2. See, I have 3. I have. It's very short. I reload. Okay, go. Flame to the sides. I think after this it's a lot harder to. Oh, dead. Perfect. Let's look into the damage meter. Damage in range 66%. Yes, this is correct. They still 16. 97 after. Okay. Well, this makes sense. So what do I work on today? quiz version first. One. And I was working on the music sheet. Music sheet variances, so if my music sheet character can play okay, this is what I have, and I thought about more music options, but I think I want to do some more damage related stuff. Split this up. It's damage related. I want to change stuff. So let's add node types. Let's call it add instrument. Maybe, I don't know if I wrote it correctly. Add instrument node types. Does damage differently. So currently I have sign. I could just instead of sign use triangle. What do I had? Square, I think. Square. So this is easy. And I probably want to do it, make it possible to add more in the future. And what else? I want just a different type. I had also some thoughts, some general do not allow node, let's call it stacking, making sound event to loud nodes. Okay, this is something different. I need different types of damage and also upgrades. Somehow have to scale. How can I do it? I first start by placing different ones. And just having some different effect, damage effect. Still feels too weak. Thinking. I want to think more. Did I write something down? No. think currently I have just simple explosions. Can I sit in? Let's say I make order matter in which I pick them. Okay, let's just take this idea. Types, one down. No, instrument, match chains. Sample explode sign is currently the explosion. When I make square, I make some bullet. Let's just take something. Then mean sign. First is sign. Second would square. Explosion spawns bits. And the other one would be do it this way. Square into sign. The explosions. So if I hit sign node, I spawn explosion based on my character's position. If I hit a square node, will spawn a bullet based on an explosion position. But explosions don't live long. Do I spawn for multiple? For the last explosion position, basically. Do it. More bullets would just mean weaker bullets because I have damage per second. Fine, and if I have square first, which would be a bullet, and I have a flying bullet, and if I have a sign, let's try this idea. I have my musician. All are based on the same DPS value? I would say yes. I have a music sheet. Doesn't need to change. Buttons don't need to change. Second doesn't need to change. I need some type. Music instrument. Let's call it this for now. So, type string. Put in sine square. Now need more. Just the type, and I wouldn't need a type for it. Like this more. We can start with it. Let's use it. Music instruments. Music instrument array. And I need selected instrument index number. These two I need, I guess. Music instrument need a few functionalities. Okay, first I add to here, and it's an array of I have sine and I have selected 0. Does not have any effect yet. Let's ability music sheet instrument sign. Do I need to export this? Probably. Let's think. I have cast ability. Music, no. Damage breakdown, yes. Gained ability. Tick ability. To start somewhere else, I have my music sheet notes. Notes, music note, note, semitone, let's use a type. Type, call it type string. Type now required. I could make it optional. And based on the type, I could generate different nodes, or let's take it for now. Right, music instrument type. No, I do this. Uh, mainly the tick is important. Tick ability, I gather all music notes. Play music note. Music note damage. This is first thing which probably needs to be. I now need function. So I want, there was something. Enable. There's something for unique or something. I have to find out where. Character type. And multiple true. Okay. That. Still one. Where can I steal it? Similar to snipe. To all these upgrades. Could be considered an upgrade. Let's see if upgrade fits. Not quite enough. So I need this damage execution. How do I paint them? It's an object. Need to create an ability for it. I guess. And for now, this is all I need. But it's an upgrade in a sense that I need to learn it. It's an upgrade. Maybe with new functionality. It's options, types of instruments I can learn. Synergy is not relevant. I add the option, yes. Gets the display text, yes. Get more info, yes. To boss level. Okay, all stuff I need. And additionally, I need so I guess I go here. I have this and functions modulation. This can be imported, and I need execute node damage. Have got wanted close missing. Okay, brackets. And it voids. I think this is it. No, this is quiet. Is this thing somewhere? Huh? They are orchid. Missed one layer. The upgrade function. Wait, this one S. They do it wrong. happens is I need one more thingy. Waits functions. So it should be correct. Now music instruments are my upgrades in this sense now. Let's take it away, I guess. I don't have an index for selected. Will be a string. Let's call it sign for now. I have to think. I have some upgrade. Me able to add this instrument should copy something like this. Let's steal from here. I have this function. I put this here. Change the name, ability, music, sheet, upgrade, instrument sign or something. Takes from ability upgrade. This is fine. I want type music instrument type. I don't have these currently. Music. Instrument sign. Sport. This exported. Yes. He's now complaining that one thing is missing, I guess. Oh, something which I can put there. Okay. Music sheet with instrument sign. Okay. No, don't think that. Empty for now. I don't have a damage factor. Okay. Oh, this is. Let's. No, this ability, so this is a music sheet. So sorry. Don't have it. I create a new one. It needs a type. Type will be sign. Do I have? It does not exist, so I set it. Else plus. Okay, for now it can handle levels. Ability upgrade UI text. Stack. I. Only its level, I guess. Text lines. Upgrade. Just a sign. Plus level. Instrument sign. Instrument sign. Instrument. For now, it's fine enough. Okay. something. Still confuses me. See if I have a new ability. No, not music sheet. Selected instrument is equals sign. Can I do it? String. Okay. No, I have to put this here. So I have stuff now in here. I have a problem. Last plate node time determines the damage. So this is something which is now part of the upgrade, I guess. Something else? Did it start? It's a question mark. I have this is everything I need. So this will be removed. Break a lot of things. I have to check something. I have to check something. Search. Okay. I have these already. Upgrade. Okay, this is something I can already do. Because it's music sheet specific. Can check if upgrade. If I don't have it, I can return. Not happen, but if it happens. And now I can take no time of fear. This should work. Okay, this is now the way. Wait a minute. I over all nodes in here. I need to sort by types. So let's change it up a bit. I think I can delete this. To do, I need this sorted music node. This needs to be sorted differently. Can make a two-dimensional. Do I want access to other node data? I wanted to change the abilities. I think about it later. I'm still unsure. I think I will want to split it up. This will be gun. I want them. Let's try two-dimensional. Const type to array index to be a map. Could I put in what I want of a type of map for string to number? Only here I push. Index as node type. I always want node types. Yes, for the sure, I guess I want them. Type and I continue if this node should still be here. If this doesn't has type to array index set type and length and no damage tick. What did I do? New empty one. Guess this can work. I push. I first take get type. Now he complains. On if index index not undefined. Node. Now I do a for loop. Node damage tick. Node damage type tick. Damage tick. Now it's type ticks. See, this starts empty. Here I push a node. So this is now a set of music notes. I also need correct upgrade. So the music type. Wait functions. T sheet upgrade. Nodes damage ticks. So type. Node type is this. This can be string or undefined. check. It's undefined. Anyway, piano. Save. No, this is now a must, I guess. No damage. Okay. I start without anything, I guess. See what happens. Did it crash? There's no note. But expected that this happens. Typically, nodes I place do not have a type. Cast node. Music node. I post to music node. He creates it. I needs a type. If sheets, I need select instrument. It's an empty string. No, if it's undefined, can it be undefined? Turn. Doesn't look like it. I will allow undefined. Oh. I set it to sign. So I cannot do. It's undefined. So now I shouldn't be able to place a node. But I to think more castability. Node. Done it here. That's correct. I think I need to start a lot sooner. By castability. And I don't have an instrument selected. I don't need to do anything. So do not need to paint it. wanted to go. I shouldn't paint, I shouldn't anything. Exactly. No, I cannot do anything. Give him one skill point. Character class. Skill. Characters. No, this is all characters. But can jumps, yeah, yes. Go to character. Skill points. Be somewhere else. Ability. Skills point. Available plus plus. And random upgrade. Choices, does this check? I hope. Okay. So the ability music sheet needs to start with a skill point, I guess. Does it? Skill. Don't think that's correct. Character class musician. I add the ability. The ability. Damage breakdown. Still missing some. Is caring for plus skill points. Like I'm missing some. Uh, the here I create an ability. I add it after it. Then use. Okay, so it's principle of character class. So here I create the ability. Advanced. This one I in, and it will start with music sheets, boss skill points, available ++. Okay, then I check for it, makes them happy. This should probably not work, correct? To verify something. And I clear it afterwards. So but doesn't he fill them? Assume it works. Didn't add a minute. It's a musician class. Edit here. B. Ah, there's an instrument sign, and now I have it. Okay. So far, so good. Now I need to place a node cast ability. I cast node music node F2 const node type is it ity music sheet selected instrument. Is this a type? I will see. Okay, perfect. Now I do duplicate. Type sign. I will just do a duplicate. I'll call it to its square. Everything over. Sign. Place with school. All. Sign. No results. Oh, he didn't care for sine to square sine square. And now there shouldn't be any sine left. Sine square 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 square. Execute. This does the same, at least yet. Change one thing. Not yet. No, not one sound. Generate node. Oh, this is a small sign. If node type, it's a type in here. And the node type doesn't like it. Has any the smartest thing, but let's do it for now. But then I need a small sign. Oh, this is an upgrade. This doesn't work. This does not work. Music sheets, this does not have the information. Which means this, I cannot do this. Not quite, I can. If I have no type, if type equals t. Don't have the ability music sheet. What happened? This one? Sign. It's square. Square. Okay. Out. No, not good enough. It's a square. So now I should have two. Did I break? Sine and square. Did character delete too much? Go back to sound and verify. Yes, he doesn't have jazz endings. Should now have square. Correct. And if I do sine, square did sound a lot louder. Interesting. But it works nearly. I need more functions and Notepad. Paint node. Default void. I think paint nodes. I only want to paint one node. Is currently the arc, I guess. And the semitone is for every node. Well, let's first split it up. Paint node F is on the duration. Node stem. Arc begin set is this one. Try to take this. Line number. So node was position. Let's do it differently. Node X number node the paint position, isn't it? Node paint X canvas 2D to access more. Stem size. Intake. This comes in. To calculate it. My number needed. The music sheet. I don't know if I need it. Just have X and Y of the node. And I have a radius, I guess. Okay. Idea. Factor. Itself. Music node. Stem size. I calculate this based on the radius, probably. Yes. Times line count. No. This. Oops. Nope. And Y. Guess this is what I need. And no. Did I? No. Keep it. So this is gun. It goes over. Care above. Here. And node. Main count, he doesn't know. Now I do this. And node. This is a sign. Can now the arc act. Yes, yes. And this might be the difference. Now take function paint node. This is node type functions execute. So status quo here. I have a node, the type. Node type is this. I should paint node. Here I need node. Now this will be interesting. No const x node y number it is gun. More or less times 2 the radius. Okay, I need to move it. So the middle should exist probably. Okay, and if I do the sign, no, sign, okay, thanks. So far so good. I like I want to use the sound. 0 let sound volume defy to make it 0.7 maybe. See if this works. I have this, and that's it, I guess. I go to 0. Now I have a square. Don't know if this made a difference. This should be clear to here. Okay, this was definitely. Okay, let's do 3. I think this will be fine. Now I need to be able to switch. Or I can. I start with a sign and so far so good. Oh, this pushes. What is this? Noticed. Why do you want to be? Is it this needs? No. Inspect. Does this have some? I don't need transitions. It's my CSS. And call one. Don't think I need them. And I have to know why it's 600 pixels. Okay. Now it can have the width of these 3. Now this is it doesn't have a higher. I think I want to rename this. Okay, it's fine. Now, how much time I have? Still time. Top 27 pixel. Oh. Okay, it doesn't matter yet. I ignore. I have any ability to change instruments. I have more than one. Snipe reload is something similar, maybe. Ability sheet change. Ability music sheet change instrument. Ability name music sheet change. Change instrument or switch. No, doesn't matter. This is fine. This is not fine. Can search for snipe. Still 5. Cast reload is not correct. Cast instrument change. I iterate over ability on abilities. If I find name music sheet, then it's a music sheet. No, sheets. And then I do switch it. Music sheets upgrades. And object keys. Keys. Keys is bad word. Instruments. Bigger 1. I have to. I need to. Does he care? Because it's links. More than 1. Now I need to find the one I have currently and add 1 to it. Const current index is instruments find index. I have instrument. Instruments. No. This is string. And the instrument is equals music sheets. Current. Get it back. Q. Selected instruments. Okay. So I need current index bigger -1. This should be the case. Selected instrument should be instruments. Current index +1, but instruments point length. Okay. That's everything. Text lines is just the key. Instrument. Okay. This needs to be added to abilities. And I need to add this to my character. Ability 2. Music sheet. Change instrument. Okay. Take him, he gets it directly, although it doesn't have an option. Take sign, skill point, make square. I cannot see it, but I can now change. Okay. Now I have two instruments. I can add a third one. Let's think. The level could be a damage factor. And now let's just check one more time. Square. $650. Doing. They don't stealing. Basically double damage with these, but then nothing. Don't know if the square is still louder. Let's silence it a bit more. A little more quieter. Uh, Do I... No. 20 experience. So far so good. Do I want to add a third one just for now? Why not? I have the triangle. Back to sound. Have triangle. Can make a copy. Name is too long. Rename this triangle. Here, now find square. No, I'm assign as triangle. All sign and triangle. Short doesn't allow triangle. I think this is currently not used. Now I will remove it. To sound. I have triangle, triangle, start with 0.5. Sounds weiter and to paint it differently. And a triangle. Move to node stem offset. Radius, okay. But based on the node stem direction, I made different triangles. Let's see how I painted the triangle here. Two line, two stroke? No. line to fill. Perfect. Okay. Nothing too special. Let's do something. I have colors. Should I do colors in here? Somehow not, so don't set colors. Line widths. Line widths here, because E cares for. So I have the begin path, the arc, move to, this will not be, move to line to line to line to. Scan base idea. F not print X, no X, and Y. So let's start with node stem direction. Let's take this here. I can calculate it. This case. So I have to, let's call it node radius times node stem direction. Const set. And just do this. I move to here. Let's see. Line 2. This is the middle, the paint. I go top left. Then I go I have to think. Does the node stem direction do? Only influence the X and not the Y. I'm not mistaken. Now I do the opposite side. No. Exactly wrong way around. X is not affected. Now I go to minus offset and to minus offset. This is Y halved. No. This is again wrong. I keep Y. Want left and right, and I want to start minus offset. Das is handled by the direction. and the X is the middle. Two halved. And then I go here again. It's correct. I will see. Confused. Have a begin pass. Have the arc still. Ah, okay, this explains it. I failed with this one. This should be fine now. Now the stem I would move a bit up or down. Wait a minute, the triangle, that's the correct. Seems fine. And let's move the stem. Node stem of ZX, the Y. This is to need to offset it a bit. I have the offset here. Move to like this. No. The line to the starting point is different. Seems fine. Still. This feels okay, but the general order is working. So I have different nodes, but they all do the same damage type. I guess I cannot do too much for the rest of the day. can maybe think I have now instrument types, and this is basically what I want to do. I need some different damage types. Think um don't know. It's still too weak, and I don't have the bullet idea, and explosions would work. I will to have 3. Should bullets fly towards enemies? I would say yes. Let's square explosion by towards enemies. Plus, let's make triangle something. Say rotating on player. So if I start with triangle, if I have that spawns explosion, triangle rotates around. The problem if they go this is order. Should I influence the order based on pick or based on how I place the nodes in the sheet? This I can try around, I guess. I think based on how the place in sheet could be more interesting. I guess these are 3 things. But a sign, if this is a circle. Maybe the square is explosion and the circle is a bullet, or the sign is a bullet. Change it. Everything is instrument damage. Then let's call this damage type, damage This is instruments. Okay. Damage chains. This would mean need to know the last positions or something like this. Guess this is a place where I can stop for today. Load. Console. Oh, I had one more thing I can do. Think my replays were running full. Did I have the limiter? I forgot where I put it. Tests, I guess. Play data. I have max keep. Max keep 10. Item. Local storage. Shift. Max keep would be 10. If I do not have a max keep, I have a problem. Memory. No. Local storage. Test replay data, max keep is 10. So the value is in. Search, set. I shift, I never set. What is this? Okay, now I have a problem. To set it here. Time change to last one is here. I shift. This could be while. I shift. What's the first element on my turn? Okay, this should now be correct, I hope. The test replays, nothing should change. this is the last test which is running, but okay, they also are now going to 10 once. Everything looks good. Yes. Class musician. Ability music sheets instruments. It's a work in progress, I would say, but fine enough. Wait. And I guess I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.